Hey everyone, welcome back. It's time to learn how to enable or disable conversation backgrounds in the Apple Messages app on iPhone and iPad. In iOS 26, Apple has added pretty cool conversation backgrounds to its Messages app for the first time. Custom backgrounds can help you better organize your chats at a glance. What's more, they also tend to add a personal touch to your conversation threads. That said, let's get started. So first and foremost, you have to launch the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. Then you have to scroll down to the bottom of the screen and choose the Apps option. And once again, you have to scroll down to find the Apple Messages app and select it. And finally, you have to activate the toggle next to Conversation Backgrounds, and that's about it. Your chats will immediately return to displaying the contextual background themes, regardless of whether you choose them or someone else did. Later, if you ever want to get rid of this feature, just head over to the same Apple Messages app setting and then disable the toggle for conversation backgrounds. Your Messages app will now display conversations against the familiar clean background found in previous iOS versions, ignoring any custom backgrounds that may have been chosen. And that's pretty much it. So that's how you can easily enable or disable the conversation backgrounds in the Apple Messages app on your iPhone and iPad. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and share it, and do subscribe for more such handy tips and tricks, and I'll catch you up in the next one.